Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TikTok, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a video on your TikTok account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a video from your TikTok account? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you have a TikTok video set up, but it doesn't really match your account theme. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the TikTok app. It's this black and white one here on the bottom right. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my TikTok account now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my TikTok account. This is my For You page. Now, in order to delete a video on your TikTok account, you need to click on your profile button down here on the bottom right. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the different videos that you have on your TikTok account. So you need to scroll through until you find the video that you would like to delete in your TikTok account. For example, we'll go ahead and click on this one right here. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see the video playing on your TikTok account. And in order to delete this video, you need to click on these three little dots here on the bottom right. All right, once you click there, you're going to see all these different share options. However, in order to delete a video from this TikTok account, you want to go ahead and scroll these little black and gray buttons all the way to the right. Once you get here to the right, you're going to see this delete button. It has a little trash can icon. Go ahead and click on that. All right, next you're going to get this pop-up confirming that you would like to delete this video from your TikTok account. If you're sure, go ahead and click on this black delete button. All right, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and the video has now been deleted from your TikTok account. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to delete a video on your TikTok account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.